What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA saga.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video I will show you the latest news directly related to this story. I will show you that we have some comments from CEO of NextBridge Hydrocarbons, finally. And I will show you that we have more shares for NextBridge Hydrocarbons. And let's start with this news. On my previous video I've showed you this video that was made by Terry Yonker, and Jennifer Vetrano made a phone call to Fidelity, and the Fidelity's representative told that NextBridge Hydrocarbon is a bankrupt company. And it was so shocking for a lot of people, and it was even so shocking for CEO of the company that CEO answered on this situation. And let me show you this tweet. It was made by Jennifer, and she is a very knowledgeable person. She knows what she's talking about, and she's deep inside the situation in between MMTLP and its problem. And let me quote you this. Spoke to NextBridge Hydrocarbons CEO and his attorney today. Wanted me to be aware. NextBridge Hydrocarbons is not bankrupt. They heard it throughout the company on Fidelity. Stressed to them how much the community has been through and asked if CEO would answer some of community's questions, i.e. Twitter Spaces. Stressed community has heard from other CEOs that we are open to any format he would prefer based on what his attorney allows. He seemed like he was thinking about how to answer important questions from us. I am going to keep following up with him and keeping in touch. Very positive conversation. And in my opinion, it is a huge milestone that right now the CEO of NextBridge Hydrocarbons started to communicate with our community and just started to probably answer some questions. First question was definitely the definition that NextBridge Hydrocarbon is not a bankrupt. And it is very important in my opinion, because we might see more clear picture from the CEO perspective, and we might see even some insights that might be disclosed by Clifton Dubois. So, and let me show you further. We also have another screenshot from Jennifer, and this is the screenshot of the email that she received from Clifton Dubois, as you can see right here. And he wrote to her, Jennifer, I appreciate your time this morning. This is my email address. It would be helpful if you could keep my address confidential, so my address is not overwhelmed with incoming correspondence. I look forward to hearing further from you on any questions you may have. And definitely this is a very important step towards the win in this battle in between fraudulent activity of some authorities and some hedge funds and the NextBridge Hydrocarbons. So let me show you further information. Right here, 13 hours ago, Jennifer wrote in her Twitter account, and she says, thanks to CJ, I was able to fill out not only SEC compliant, but was able to do it state level, New Jersey. I will begin formulating a contact Excel spreadsheet per area. If you would like to be listed, just send me first name, state, senator. Thanks. So, I have to say that we have more and more people involved in this process, and more people want to help the community and want to solve this problem. Because it is not only the MMTLP and NextBridge Hydrocarbons problem, it is the entire problem of the market. And definitely we should do our best in order to help ourselves to win this battle. And because of this, I want you to share this video to as many people as you can, and to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Only in this case I will see that we are together fighting against this fraudulent activity, and we do our best in order to solve this problem. So let me show you further information. Right here you can see on the Roger James Hamilton Twitter account that he reposted this tweet 19 hours ago, and it says, "We ask Gary Gensler to participate in a roundtable with Roger Hamilton to discuss different issues in the stock market. Let's bring this to his attention by contacting, retweeting and asking him to participate." And here's the screenshot, here's the original picture, and it says, "We ask Gary Gensler to participate in a roundtable with CEO and investors who are hurting in the stock market. Let's ask him to participate in a roundtable with Roger Hamilton to discuss different issues in the market. Ask Gary Gensler to join Roger Hamilton roundtable. Ask Dave Lower to join Roger Hamilton's roundtable. Share and retweet this picture and send it to Gary Gensler and D. Lawyer. Contact Gary Gensler via this phone number or via this email." So, in my opinion, it is very important for us as a community to unite and send this so-called invitation to Gary Gensler, and we have to see more official information from the authorities, and we have to know what is their next step. What should they do in order to solve this problem? Because right now we are at the edge of 90 days of illegal trading hold of MMTLP shares, and we have to see more clarification from authorities. So, and let me show you another quite interesting news. Right here on MMTLP Reddit thread we can find this topic, and basically it is the Form 4 that was filed just a couple of days ago, and right here on sec.gov website you can find several of these forms, and it is the stock-based compensation for the C executives of NextBridge Hydrocarbons. And I want to pay your attention on just several details. First of all, the total number of shares that was issued as a compensation is about, let me show it to you, you can find it right here, is about 14.5 million shares. This means the total shares, the total number of shares that we know for sure is should be available from NextBridge Hydrocarbons as a private company is around 180 million right now. And it is not the best news in general, because it is basically a dilution of existing shareholders, but we knew that it should happen in upcoming, in foreseeable future, because in their S1 statement, if I remember it correct, in November of 2022, NextBridge Hydrocarbons and Clifton Dubose said that they will collect, they will raise more money, and this will lead to dilution of existing shareholders. It is what it is. We have to play with these rules, and we knew that it should happen, and it's happening right now. And let me show you some interesting detail. Right here you can see that the conversion or exercise price of derivative security is 1.2056. And the price of derivative security right here on the 8th section is 0, as you can see right here. And this means we don't know the price of the shares right now, and nobody knows it because it is a private company and only public company can show us this number. But we have this price of conversion, and usually this price is much lower than the actual price of the stocks, and this means we might anticipate a much higher price for these shares in foreseeable future, and it might hit even 10 times higher range. So for now it is too early to make any assumptions. Is it good or bad for NextBridge Hydrocarbons, or is it good or bad for existing shareholders? Because right now the main problem is that we don't know the exact number of shares that should be on hands of 65,000 retail shareholders, and definitely we have to solve this problem first of all. And to solve this problem we have to see the answers from authorities, and we have to see some results from the lawsuits that were filed recently. And because of this we have to patiently wait and keep an eye on the situation. So I think that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.